tickets, please? Thank you so much. We got another Category 5 Wizard. You guys better buckle up because it's going to get really cold, really chilly, really bad. Here we go. Thank you so much. We got a big old here. We're going to buckle up. It's going to get cold. It's going to get chilly. Here you go. Thank you so much. Can I see tickets over here? Thank you very much. We got a wizard for the whole family this time. This time is a Category 6, I think. So you better really buckle up. Here you go. Thank you very much.
Attention Polar Express passengers, this is your conductor speaking. I apologize for this unscheduled stop. I am heading outside to see what is causing the delay. As you know, we are on a very tight schedule. Smokey! Why have we stopped? Caribou Crossing!
Look out the window for caribou. Anyone see caribou out the window? Look for big antlers. Big antlers out the window.
This is some serious jelly. We need to clear those caribou off the track now. There can be no Christmas without the Polar Express arriving on time. Am I the only one who understands that? Attention crew. We need help from the passengers to clear this caribou herd off the track. We are on a very tight schedule.
Okay, everyone, we need your help. Say it with us. Clear those caribou on the track.
Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou on the track. Clear those caribou off the track.
Solved. Attention passengers, I need to say one thing more. Thank you.